walking away. Your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. If I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Trying to keep myself sometimes. Everything's on the line. Taking hindsight, I don't care to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it.
Α, μπράβο. Λίγο ακόμα θέλει τώρα να μπει και αυτή μέσα. Για λίγο. Όχι, πλασέ είναι τώρα, πάνω στη δικιά σου. Άμα είναι πλασέ πάνω στη δικιά σου, μπορεί να μετακινηθεί και άσε με το ροσέ στο...
Έλα, σε τραβάμε και...
Χρήστο, φύγε από εκεί. Κάντε ρε εσύ.
Κύριε.
Μία, ποιος πήρε.
I don't know what's that kind of game. This place was abandoned, but now I can see that they are doing something. Maybe they will reopen this place again. This is a park in the past. You can do walking also here, jogging, biking. This place is very nice. The weather today is very lovely, very nice outside. 2 days it was raining. Oh, the weather is so lovely. This place was a family park. This was very nice. Restaurants everywhere, coffee shops everywhere. But I don't know why they closed it. They abandoned it. And now I'm so happy that something they are doing, and maybe they will open this again. It's a very nice place. Many people get outside because 2 days it was raining, and today have sun and nice weather. But we are still in the lockdown. We can only go outside for like this, walking. You have to send a message. Now that I can see that they are doing something, and then maybe they will reopen this park again, I will come here most often. So nice here.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
Άμα είναι πλασέ πάνω στα δικά σου, μπορεί να μετακινηθεί και άσχημα.
Να πάμε και